previous generation taught us that the world's most interesting resources are gold and oil. Those resources have been the reason for wars and political friction between the various states for decades, without even realizing that they're contending for a limited resource. In fact, gold is already difficult to find, as well as oil that's running out. Today, there is a new resource that has no limits or boundaries. A resource that doesn't generate political frictions or wars, but healthy competition between companies in an attempt to have as much as possible. A resource capable of moving billions of dollars every year. A resource that every man, woman and child, rather than consuming it, feeds it by making the quantity grow every day. This resource is the data on the habits, tastes and preferences of each user connected to the web in any way and through any application. This resource makes it possible to obtain increasingly profiled services based on the real needs of online users and allows companies to offer their products and services with targeted advertising. A resource that listens to your needs. This resource is big data, an infinite mass of information generated every day, every moment, every time you're online, every time you connect to a social network or use a messaging app. Thanks to this data, online companies know exactly what you're looking for and offer it to you when you next access the web or social media. You're already generating data, even at this moment. And it has no limits like gold or oil, because you, like millions of people connected to the web, contribute to making it grow every day. Because every day, everyone carries out new research online or shows new interests in every sector. Believe me, multinational companies spend billions of dollars to buy your data too. You can check it now. Try to access your favorite social network and you'll certainly notice promotions related to products or services you've recently searched for or for which you've shown interest. Do you know who will win the competition among the companies that want to have as much data as possible to use and sell? Who will be the first to be able to respect your will to not use the data you don't want to be used while truly respecting your privacy? And to pay you for the data you're generating, which is bringing billionaire profits to those online companies, which today you're providing them with for free. For this reason, DT Socialize is developing the most innovative technologies you can imagine. Tools that would allow you to keep the data that you decide to keep confidential and earn on the data that you decide to make available on the market in a totally secure, armored environment. You'll be able to count on the fact that the data that you will consciously generate will result in a profit for you as well. The source of the new oil. And it's right that you have a prize. DT Socialize is the first company to have created an entire ecosystem, the DT Circle, where, thanks to blockchain technologies and the use of artificial intelligence, it's able to make all this possible. Able to ensure that this infinite wealth is redistributed to those who produce it, and therefore also to you.